Welcome to the Computer Basics Project 1 step-by-step instructions. First, go to Lesson 1, then go to Activity 13, Project 1. Click on First Attempt or Resume Attempt. Go ahead and click on Project 1 Instructions and Rubric. Make sure you open with Adobe Reader. Click OK. Now let's save these instructions to your desktop. Go to File, Save As, Desktop. Let's change the file name to Project 1 Instructions and Rubric. Then click Save. If we minimize everything, you'll see the project instructions right here on the screen. You have concluded Lesson 1 for Project 1. Stay tuned for Lesson 2. Let's begin Lesson 2. Double-click on your Microsoft Word icon. Then let's save our document by going to File, Save As, Browse, click on Desktop. Let's change the file name to Project 1 Word and Paint. Then let's go ahead and click Save. To make sure that you save your document correctly, you should see the title here at the top of the screen. Next, let's go ahead and type on the first line, T-shirt advertising packet. Press enter once and put today's date. Let's go back up and highlight T-shirt advertising packet. And let's go ahead and change the font size to 14. Let's go ahead and change the font style to something else besides what it currently is at. Make sure you pick something that is professional. I am just going to choose the first one. Now we have completed Lesson 2. Before you leave, make sure you save your document by pressing the disk at the top, or you can go to File and click Save. Stay tuned for Lesson 3. Let's begin Lesson 3. Double-click on your previously saved document, Project 1 Word and Paint. When your document opens up, go ahead and put your cursor right after the current date and press enter one time. Next, go ahead and type, Welcome to the advertising kickoff meeting that will showcase the marketing plan for the fall line of graphic t-shirts. The meeting today will cover the following agenda items below. Go ahead and highlight what you just typed. Let's change the font size to 12. And to be consistent, let's change the font style to the same one that we previously chose earlier. Go ahead and click anywhere else on the white document to take away the highlighted gray part. You have now completed everything for Lesson 3. Before you exit, make sure that you save your document by pressing the disk in the top left-hand corner or going to File and Save. Stay tuned for Lesson 4. Let's begin Lesson 4. Start by double-clicking on your Project 1 Word and Paint document. Let's place your cursor at the very end of your document, after the word below. Press enter once. Type the word agenda in. Then highlight the word agenda and bold it. Go ahead and click your cursor right after agenda, and let's press bold again so that we don't bold the rest of the document. Press enter one time, and then go ahead and type the following items: Chairperson's report, update on types of t-shirt graphic design, status of marketing plan, possible next meeting dates. Once you have finished these 4 items, highlight them, and then go ahead and choose the bullet point button for the following items. Next, go ahead and highlight everything we have completed in Lesson 4. Make sure that you have the same font style that you have been using throughout your document. I'm choosing Arial. Then go ahead and save your document. Now you have completed everything for Lesson 4. Stay tuned for Lesson 5. Let's begin Lesson 5. Double-click on Project 1 Word and Paint document. Go ahead and place your cursor right under the 4 bullet points. Next, go ahead and go to the Insert tab at the top. Then choose Text Box. Choose Simple Text Box. And then press Delete or Backspace one time. Next, go ahead and type Art Design Categories, Art Deco, Watercolor Retro, Bold Color, Abstract, and Action. Once you have typed those, go ahead and highlight those items. Go back to your Home tab. Go ahead and change it to font size 12. And again, change your font style to the same one you have been using. Now let's go ahead and save your document. Now you've completed Lesson 5. Stay tuned for Lesson 6. Let's begin Lesson 6. Go ahead and choose your document labeled Project 1 Word and Paint. Once the document loads up, scroll down and put your cursor right below the text box. Next, go ahead and type Status of Marketing Plan. Then you want to go up to the Insert tab, choose Table, and we want to have 2 columns and 5 rows. And left click so that your table stays on your document. Now we're going to fill in this table with different words. The words are Department, Graphics, Marketing, Video, and Business will go in the left column right here. And in the right column right here, we're going to add medium, website, online survey, TV ad, store posters. Once you have entered all the labels for this table, it should look like this. Now you have completed Lesson 6 for Computer Basics. Let's begin Lesson 7 by choosing Project 1 Word and Paint. Once the document comes up, go ahead and choose T-shirt Advertising Packet by highlighting it. Then go up to the top and choose the B, which is the bold button. Then choose the U, which is the underline button. Then move over until you get to this button right here. It's called the Center Alignment button. So we're going to center the T-shirt Advertising Packet. Next, go ahead and choose the first paragraph, which starts with Welcome to the Advertising Kickoff Meeting. And we want to go ahead and choose the border button. and then choose the option Outside Borders. Next, highlight Agenda all the way through the fourth bullet point. And we want to go ahead and center align this part. Next, scroll down till you get to the table. Highlight the first row, and we want to choose the Fill button and choose the color light gray. Let's go ahead and save. Now you have completed Lesson 7 for Computer Basics. Let's begin Lesson 8 by choosing Project 1 Word and Paint. When the document comes up, go ahead and scroll down until you put your cursor right below the table. Next, go ahead and press the Control button, hold it down, and then press Enter once. This will bring you to the second page. Next, you want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Paint or another drawing program. You need to create your own freehand drawing by using different colors and shapes. Once you have created your own freehand drawing, go ahead and copy and paste it into the document, the Word document that we have been creating. Here's one example. Next, go ahead and save the document. You have now completed Lesson 8 for Computer Basics. Let's begin Lesson 9 by choosing Project 1 Word and Paint. When the document appears, go ahead and scroll down until you come past your shape that you've created in Microsoft Paint. Next, go ahead and click right below your shape so your cursor's blinking. Then go ahead and choose Control, hold it down, and press Enter once. This again will bring you to the next page. What you need to do now is you need to find an action image on the internet or in the clip art and modify it. Here's one example of finding an image and modifying it. You can see there is lightning bolts, arrows, and words with bubbles around them that modified this picture that shows action. Once you have completed that, copy and paste it into your Word document that you have been creating. Press the Save button. And then you have completed Lesson 9 for Project 1 in Computer Basics. Let's begin Lesson 10. In this lesson, you'll see that there are many check marks. These check marks are a reminder for you to make sure that you have completed every part of the project. Once you feel confident that you have completed all these check marks, go ahead and save it one last time. Then go ahead and turn it into Lesson 10. If you have any additional questions about your Project 1, feel free to give me a call or send me a message and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day.